So for the first question, how did you implement the gray line under the logo? I used the HR tag and I style it by setting its width, as you can see here, and its border, the border top, and its margin. And how did I implement the border and rounded corner? So I use a um, div with the class container, and here's how I style it. As you can see, I set a attribute called border radius, and I set it to be 10 px, and it will show like this. And the third question is, how did you get the white heart to show up on the solid gray background? Um, let me find a button. Yeah, it's here, the like button. And I set some attribute of it, like the background color. I set it to be the light gray. And how did you get the heart to be next to the like me on Tinder text? So it is also here. I used the div with the clause like button containing an image, heart, and the text. And in order to do so, I set some attribute of the like image. I set its width and its padding right. The next question is, how did you get the verified image to be next to the um, CMRAT 29? So let me find the tag first. Okay, it's here. Yeah, so I use a div to contain the name, age, and the image to make them to make the image to be next to the name and the age. And the next question is, how did you center the element containing the Tinder logo? So I have a class called logo, yeah, and I style it by using the justify content center, align items, and flex direction, and I also display it in flex. So the justify contents can center the content horizontally, and the aligns items will center the content vertically. Yeah, and the next question is, how did you center the element containing the text like me on Tinder? So the button is, yeah, it's here. So it is also included in this like button class div, and I style it by setting some um, attribute like the margin. I use the auto margin, and I also display it in flex, and also justify the content, align the items to make it to center this text. Yeah, and this is how I finished each part of the web page.